Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, April 28, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Boost your experience by joining our YouTube membership. Choose the supporter tier to show your appreciation with a loyalty badge, or the trader tier to request video analysis of the company of your choice. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since March 13, 2023, our system has ranked Apple as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.51. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 12.77% since we first listed Apple as a buy candidate 34 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.38% per day since it was listed as strong buy candidate. The stock lies in the middle of a strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 14.04% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 7.1% and 15.9%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a 2.49% change over the next 12 months, with a potential return between -23.67% and 7.25%. This translates to a price range of $129.51 to $181.99 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline: Apple stock price ended on $169.68 on Friday after gaining 0.754%. The Apple stock price gained 0.754% on the last trading day, Friday, April 28, 2023, rising from $168.41 to $169.68. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.17% from a day low at $167.88 to a day high of $169.85. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.71% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -10 million shares, and in total, 53 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $8.94 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $176.15, and the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the price is 3.67%, or $6.47, below the 52-week high, and 25.66%, or $58.58, below the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, February 3, 2023, D.A. Davidson set a price target of 173. On Friday, February 3, 2023, Raymond James set a price target of 170. On Friday, February 3, 2023, Wedbush set a price target of 180. On Friday, February 3, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities set a price target of 173. On Friday, February 3, 2023, D.A. Davidson set a price target of 173. Analysts have given Apple stock a general strong buy rating. They rate the P/E ratio as strong buy and price to book as strong buy. For return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $166.09 and $161.40. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, March 1, 2023, and so far it has risen 16.77%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 42 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 36 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 64 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 60 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $155 and $154.50. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Apple finds support just below today's level at $155. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $154.50 and $150.82. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the stock moved $1.97 between high and low, or 1.17%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 1.47%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal P/E ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for Q2 2023 is expected on July 26, 2023. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $155. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Condo Chris, who bought and sold 23,890 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -34.979. Overall, insiders purchased 1,816,637 shares and sold 3,792,074 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $164.39, minus 3.12%. This stock has low daily movements, and this gives low risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 41 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, May 1st, we expect Apple to open down $0.543 and start trading at $169.14. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.